Hey everybody, my name is Dan C. Bearded, and I am going to try and pull off a POV, aka point of view, beard trim, all from my glasses right here. Now it is going with my vision, so I apologize if there's a little bit of motion. I've never really seen this done before. I don't know exactly how it's going to turn out, but I'm very excited to try. It's likely going to be a short video, and I will link these in the description. I'm obsessed with them, mainly for filming soccer, but it's really cool for other things as well. And so I'm just going to do a little bit off the bottom here. This is by far the longest my beard has ever been, but I like it. I'm really digging it. I just want to clean up this area at the bottom. And again, I don't even really know what this is going to look like, and I only get one shot. So let's see how it goes. I'm using my Babyliss FX trimmer and just simply a comb. I do have scissors if needed, but I don't think I'll really need them today. So I'm just going to take off this band right here. Wish me luck. All right, here we go, guys. Kind of giving it a little rounded shape to it once again. Once it grows in, it kind of grows in straight forward. All right. Easy peasy, nice and simple. Let me know down below in the comments, how'd the trim look? How's the POV? And are there other areas in the future for content where you could see me using this? Hope it turned out well. If not, hey, we're going to give it a go anyway. It's about taking chances, especially in the summer where beard content's a little bit lower. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.